Yo, this is about to be the most lit vlog yet. Knock, knock.
Let's go! We back, boys! Fuck, that kind of hurt. Alright, yo, I just did for the snap a little, we'll just lock that and finish that later, but it's just a little how to get ready with your boy. It actually kind of takes me a long time because I'm still not new to the new do. You know what I'm saying? But kind of sauce it up on top like that. Rip it up. Kind of just get some, like, I don't even know how to explain it. I just kind of do it, you know? Like, gas.
And last but not least,
gas. Alright, you know what rhymes with gas, right? Do you know what rhymes with gas?
pass.
Ass, bro. Ass.
Sophie Sanders taking over the vlogs.
It's mobbed out. Oh my gosh, look, gotta la vida.
Welcome to the Sanders family.
Welcome to the Sanders family. We need to rock out before we start the vlog. You already know this. P2, Lil Uzi Vert, let's go. You down, Soph?
Yeah. You're weird.
You know, right?
I don't really care, I'm done. There's no emotion on my face, 'cause I'm done. You see me everywhere you look, though you get everything I say, listen with your head.
Woo! Baby, that gets me feeling so good, I love it. Alright, boys, now let me just do a little update for the beginning of this video. You guys know I'm in the process of redoing my room, and we got more packages in. I bought something. It's kind of a big something. Usually we're unboxing car parts, but with me redoing my room, okay, hold on. I want to say something about remodeling my room. Now, it's been super dope. You guys know I like to modify and customize. I like the word customize. It really fits it soothingly. I like to customize anything that I do. You guys know I've customized shoes. You guys know I've customized my access port cover. You guys know I obviously like to customize my car. And what's lit is I'm able to do it exactly how I want. I'm able to customize my clothing. So everything I do, I like to just customize it and make it my own. Because I hate anything that's stock. Like how it comes is not how it should be.
Big L.
Big L?
Big L.
Oh.
No, it's Big L when it comes stock.
Oh, facts. Yeah. So, hey. For instance, today, boom, bitch. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna be modifying my room, and I popped out a little bit and I bought a gaming chair. Now, you guys know, I mean, I play a little bit of Fortnite. Roast me in the comments for that, I don't care. With that being said, I bought a new Mac desktop computer. So, I know Mac is not used for gaming, but that's what I use to edit. I love the software, iMovie. I mean, Final Cut Pro. Where I edit right now, it's just not the move, and my back starts hurting. So I'm like, dude, you know what? Let's just buy a lit gaming chair. You know what I'm saying? Today we unboxing a gaming chair that I bought, and I don't know brands at all, so I just like, you know, bought the most expensive one. No, I'm just kidding, man. Well, dude, this is kind of heavy duty, bro. All right, let's put this together. Yeah, we're not doing that for the camera today, sorry. We'll smack it later.
Okay.
Richard overseas. No freaking way.
Christmas.
Yo, look at this thing, bro. Oh my, I'm about ready to put this in my car. This is kind of an interesting looking way to package something. They incorporated some gloves. Now, I don't know why I would need gloves, but maybe just so the grease doesn't get on your hands. I don't know, kind of luxury, I'm not gonna lie. But let me go ahead, I'm gonna show you this chair a little bit more because honestly, the quality is kind of blowing me away right now. Well, I also have a new bed. So this is gonna be pretty dope. Are you gonna start putting that together?
Yeah, but I can't pick it up. Look at this.
No? Not happening?
You can take it downstairs for me,
Alright,
and then I'll put it up.
Alright, bet, let's go.
Can you help me, baby? I can't help it. All the shit I've done, baby, all the shit I've dealt with. I be with my new bitch, ooh, acting reckless. Shining like the sun, baby girl, don't be selfish. Acting selfish, I can't play these games. Been here for a while, need to find my way. What you wanna say? Go and tell me, now you really found me.
Cold like the ice up on my necklace. I ain't being
Wow, this is so comfortable. Bro, I can even adjust like the tilt tension and I can adjust the up and down. Oh, here we go. Yo, dude. This thing is like honestly the best chair I've ever owned in my life. This thing is freaking dope. Let me adjust the tension here. Oh yeah. Yup. That's a vibe. Dude, look at this thing. It's super fresh. Like I said, I'm about to put this in my car. All right, let's go downstairs and see how far Sophie is on my new bed. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. Yo, how are we coming in here? Yo, what did I just see her do? Did she just spit?
Yeah. I'm brushing my teeth.
This is fresh. I just like that it's black and it's gonna kind of match everything. We just gotta get rid of all that and stuff, but it's coming along. Bro, I just got back from the dentist. My shit is numb. I can't even explain it. I can talk, but I can't feel the right side of my tongue. I can feel the left pretty good, but the numbing kind of bled more in my tongue. Trying to talk normal, but it's not working. Anyways, got some ice cream because this is gonna help me get through my hard times right now. It's kind of funny because I'm eating it and I can't tell I'm eating it.
Can you taste it?
It's just like I put it in as a solid state and then all of a sudden it's just like I'm swallowing it. It's a non-dairy ice cream. It smacks.
Thanks.
Yeah. Red light.
Yellow light.
Yellow
Green light.
Green light. We lit. Everybody knows. Just kidding. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to this segment of the vlog. We just went and gotten coffee, but the ice machine was out, so it's literally just liquid in a cup. Tastes like shit. No, I'm just kidding. It's good, but it just is like a different consistency. So what we're gonna do is I just had to stop and get gas, because you know, always on E. But we're gonna go over to the Maverick right here. I hit Chevron for gas. Now we're gonna go to the Maverick and get some of that chick ice to put in the coffee. And then, the best part of the video! Car parts! Ivy actually copped a few car parts for her 2020 Subaru WRX, so we're gonna be putting those on today, and it's going to make her car look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to show you guys. They're at my grandma's house for some reason.
I didn't want my dad to complain they were in the garage.
I know. Well, every time I bring home car parts or anything, my dad's like,
It's my garage.
really? I'm like, bro, I'm just doing what we do, you know? Come on, we good, we lit. But yeah, they're actually at my grandma's house, so we're gonna go pick them up, and then we'll put them on Ivy's 2020 Super WRX. Let's go! That was heat.
It was lit.
Oh, it's just so different with that ice.
I know.
I can't believe that would really change it. If anything, it would water it down, and that would not be good.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, this dog, I have one eye,
It
bro.
does.
It's all, yo, what's going on over there? Yo, she gave it to me for free.
Hell yeah.
All right, this is gonna make a mess. Procedure going down in the parking lot. Let's get this going. The mountains are just so big. Like when you look at them sometimes, like you were saying yesterday, how they just like look fake.
Yeah.
They don't look real.
No, they don't.
Sometimes they don't look real.
It's like, especially when it like rains and stuff.
Now they're all green.
Yeah, that one kid I was talking to is like, oh, like, do you have to like drive to the mountains? And I'm like,
Yeah.
it's like 5 minutes.
Yeah,
He's like, oh, really? And I'm like, yeah, we live on the mountain.
Yeah, literally. Sometimes our dads even just ride their bikes up there.
They do, from our house.
Yeah.
Message, can you help me? Really, I can't help it. I ain't stressing, baby, I ain't stressing.
Can you help me? Baby, I can't help it. All the shit I've done, baby, all the shit I've dealt with. I'll be with my new bitch, ooh, acting reckless. Shining like the sun, baby girl, don't be selfish. Can you help me?
Yeah, you know what?
What?
Grandma's house.
You hear that?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I thought somebody said Donna.
No.
I thought
No.
Mike again. He's always saying Donna.
We came to pick up Ivy's car parts.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Those. You're
Little
gonna go
plas-
to work, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna put them on her car.
What?
You too.
That's just
This
what.
is part of the video.
Yeah. See you later. Ooh. Oh, yeah, all
Yo.
sorts of parts going on.
Like Christmas morning.
I don't know where we're gonna put them. All right.
He also wants my nuts though, so.
Yeah, I could tell.
Oh, was that recorded? Delete that!
I'm gonna put it in there.
Oh, see, this shit's leaking.
Actually,
I hate
like,
these lids.
yeah, I know.
Where's that towel?
It's alright, just you can let it leak. Because I gotta clean it anyways.
Like when we went to Salt Lake to do your video.
Yeah.
Freaking me and Sylvie's leaked all over too. Starbucks, get it together.
For real.
Exactly. We only pay how much for your coffee?
And they can't even give me a non-leaking cup?
Jeez. River's going to move the truck. Are you guys ready?
Alright boys, Ivy is pulling in the garage. Yeah! Yo, it's so weird to see another car in my garage because usually, you know, my Subi's in the garage, but now we got the 2020 Subaru WRX. Ooh, so clean. What? You can't even.
Raining.
I know,
It
but
won't stop raining.
I know, but you cannot tell it's dirty because it's white. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, these are next. Because it's almost
Wait,
my
what do you
birthday.
mean? What are next?
Grandma bought me car parts for my birthday.
No way.
Yeah.
Yo, I pulled this out of my room. You guys know the poster, and my dad wants to hang it in the garage. He thought it looked dope, so I guess we're gonna keep it and hang it in the garage. So it's gonna merge poster. Strange music. Let's go. Okay.
That is gonna be lit though.
What? Oh yeah.
On the wall?
You got the hardware? That's a lot of car parts.
I know. I like it.
Alright guys, so today we are installing some side skirts, a front lip, and some rear spats on Ivy's car. They are the Subaru STI ones. I believe, do you get them from the factory?
You can buy from any Subaru dealership.
Okay, yeah, so basically, these are like the genuine STI front lip, side skirts, and rear spats. We got them from the same guy we got my tail lights from. So like I said, it was such a good deal we had to get them. I cannot remember which style it is, but it has this fin on the edge. It's honestly the best lip design you can get for these cars. I cannot remember, but it gives it like a boxy look. Super sick. So I think we're just gonna wipe these off, kind of get them clean, and then we'll start installing them on her car. Quick video interruption. I am heading out to get another tattoo on my arm. Guys, it has been super difficult getting into my tattoo artist. I previously drew it on my arm with Sharpie because I know this girl. She's very good at art. I had her draw what I wanted just to kind of visualize it. So today I'm pulling the trigger. I'm going to get a tattoo. My appointment is at 2 o'clock. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to get. Ooh, it's so fresh. The more and more I've gotten tattooed, the more and more I have figured it out and really figured out my style and what I want, etc, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna look super clean. It's gonna be great. Here we go. Holy sh! I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks amazing. It's kind of hard to see with the saran wrap, but I basically just did a rose. You got some bob wire coming and wrapping around, and then it's gonna bleed into all this. You can see we mocked it up. Bleeding all the hair, look really dope. Anyways, it's been a minute since I've been tattooed, so that hurt so freaking bad. Oh, I'm also exhausted. It's super insane how after you get tattooed, it just drains you. Now I just want to go eat a greasy hamburger and sleep. But we gotta finish Ivy's car. We gotta get her parts on, so I'm thinking, I'm gonna call her real fast. Oh, my arm hurts so bad, but it looks so sick. Woo! Okay, yeah, just head back to my house.
Okay, I'll see you there soon then.
All right, quick little tattoo break. Heading back to my house. Let's install some car parts on Ivy's car. It's gonna change the whole look because we are doing rear spats, side skirts, and the front lip itself all in one. So it's just gonna be like a quick little nice walk around of the car, and it's gonna make it look sick. So, can't remember if this is the turn or not, but you know, we sending it. Yo, I'm just super hyped on the rose. After it heals out, it's going to be like a purple color. As you guys seen in my other tattoos, I really like my roses, and I really like doing them out of the ordinary colors. I do have a few red ones, but I really like my blue and purple one, and this one we did all purple with a little bit of highlight of pink. But oh my gosh, the wrist hurt so bad. I cannot even explain it. Like, whoa, I was not expecting that. People say tattoos don't hurt. They freaking hurt. Don't listen to them. Holy shit. All right, I'm gonna cruise back to my house. I'll see you guys there. I'm also hungry, so I'm gonna stop and get some food. Let's go. All right, we are back in my garage. We just installed the right side skirt. I put a screw in the front, middle, and the back, and now it's holding it in place to where I can further put the rest of the screws in to hold it completely. Check it out, so far it's looking super sick. I love these OEM ones because these OEM STI ones because they're not too insane, but they add just enough difference that it's pretty dope. I really like it. How you feeling so far?
It's nice.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? Looks super sick. All right, let's go ahead, finish this side up. Start on the front lip, the other side, and the rear spats, and we'll be good to go. Got both side skirts installed on the car, and now we are currently working on the front lip. As you can see, Ivy is straight killing it. Let me show you something. Oh, right here. Yep, we found a massive wood chip underneath her car. Don't know how it got there.
I thought it was a leaf, bro.
Yeah, I know. She's like, yo, check out the leaf right here. And I'm like, Ivy, that's like a wood chip. An oversized wood chip.
I don't
Like,
know where it came from.
we're gonna just disown the wood chip. And continue to get the front lip installed. Straight downpouring out here. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me do a little adjusting here. Yep, it's raining.
It's a river.
A river? In real life? Oh my. Oh! Alright, let's do this. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do.
Is this one broken?
No, it's just like bigger.
It's like nubby.
It might work. The reason this one doesn't work is because as soon as you put pressure on this part, it pops it out.
Oh yeah.
So then
So it's broken.
yeah. It's well, no, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, we finally finished it up. It's 8:32. I'm freaking tired, dude.
Me too.
I'm wore out. Like I been going 100 miles an hour all day, I swear. Yeah, this looks good. Check out the final product here. The rear spats look freaking sick. Then we got the side skirts looking super sick. And the front lip to finish it off. Adds the aggressive that we want. And like I said before, the wings. Oh yeah, that is super dope. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, but now I'm hungry.
I know, huh? It looks super good. All right, guys, that's gonna have to end it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Can you help me? Baby, I can't help it. All the shit I've done, baby, all the shit I've dealt with.